So in last video, we have ran this particular server, that is Hello World project using Node.js. In this video, we are going to get to learn more about backend development with API. So without any delay, let me just go to one website. This website is called as postman.com. If you go to postman.com/downloads, you can download it for your operating system. I'm on Windows, so it's saying Windows 64-bit. If you're on Mac or Linux, it's going to have different kind of version for it. So just download it. Once you have downloaded it, install it, and we'll use it in this particular project. Before that, we need to learn something called as JSON. So what is actually JSON? JSON is something using which a backend server can communicate with the front end, as well as from front end we can send JSON to the backend. It's just nothing but one object notation which is agreed upon front end and back end in order to transfer in any kind of data. I'm not sure, like before few years, people used to use something called as XML, and nowadays JSON is like most popular language. It's easily integrated with the JavaScript, so we can use it without any kind of problem. So let's just go to our server and create one API route. So this will be our first API route. So before creating API route, we are going to just erase this particular line, and we are going to send one JSON object. JSON is very easy to understand, so you are not going to face any problem. We can type whatever the name which we want to give here, and we can write message saying server is running, that is API server is running. Okay, if I just save this particular thing, it will show up in here with little bit different notation saying message API server is running. This is nothing but JSON. So if you are able to understand this particular thing, that message is this particular thing, and if you are understanding this, then you have understood what is JSON. We can send any kind of number also from here, saying version is 1. So if I just go here and if I refresh, it's going to say version is 1. So from front end application, if we just say message, it's going to just show API server is running. And if we just ask for this version, then it's just going to say version number 1. That's all for this particular API. But the thing is, in order to make sure API looks fine, we need to use that particular Postman application. So just after you download it, you can open it. Once you have opened up the Postman, it's going to have something like this interface. So you just have to click on create tab, that is plus button, and you can type whatever the thing you will type in the browser. Let me just type one URL here so that we can access that particular thing. Index route http colon / local host colon 3000. And if we run this particular thing, it's going to display. The thing is, it's going to display it in like little bit better way than how it's displaying here, which is very tough to understand what we are displaying. So this will have little bit better interface. And not just that, more than interface, it's we can even send JSON from the this particular application itself. If you just type something here like hello, this is my message, then this particular JSON is also available to send from here to the server. Usually it's being sent by our front end application, maybe React, Vue.js, or Angular. But while testing, we can test it in this particular software only, so that we'll understand it more better. So that's it for this video, guys. And in next video, we are going to work with the API routes. So don't forget to follow me on YouTube, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.